guys, what's going on, and welcome back to our channel. If you think about the furniture in your home, you'll quickly realize that the bed covers most of the space. Therefore, it's no surprise that designers and engineers are trying to change that. As a result, they come up with innovative and unusual solutions to save space. If you're seeking some renovations in your room, check out these amazing space-saving ideas that'll change your life. Number 5. Folding bunk bed. At first sight, it might seem like there's no bed at all in the room. However, it is hidden behind a few cupboards, so it doesn't take any extra space. In this case, there's a bunk bed hidden inside a simple-looking closet. The staircase for easier access to the upper level is located on the side. Moreover, there are also closets that hide the double beds as well. The advantage of such furniture is that it properly combines two functional units. For example, part of the folding bed is a bookcase with shelves. The bed folds and unfolds in a matter of seconds without any extra effort. Even a child could do it.
I'll show you how that works. It's real easy to do. Just pull on the handles here. It's very lightweight, very easy to open up.
Number 4. Elephant in a box. Bringing a new sofa home is a time-consuming and tiresome procedure because sofas are really bulky and they also weigh a lot. Luckily, this problem has been resolved by the Boston company Furniture Tech Lab with the invention of the elephant in a box sofa. They released a comfortable and reliable sofa that can be assembled in just a few minutes. The best part is, it doesn't require any prior knowledge or special tools. All the items come inside a box that itself weighs only 45 kilograms, and once unpacked, you find an expandable piece of furniture. All you have to do is extend the side of the sofa and place the pillows. Its honeycomb technology guarantees a high level of comfort, making the sofa adjust to the body, taking on its shape.
So that's it. The best, lightest, strongest, and last couch you'll ever buy.
Number 3. Stove fitness furniture. Leading a healthy lifestyle is trendy, and it's becoming more and more popular every day. However, even if a person wants to start exercising, he doesn't always have the chance or desire to go to the gym. Luckily, there are some alternatives for them. Fitness Launch is a series of transforming chairs that turn into exercising equipment. You can choose the type of equipment when ordering. At the moment, there are two options available: a bike and a weight bench. Stove fitness furniture is an ideal option for people who want to use their space as efficiently as possible. Number 2. Beam it up. If your house has high ceilings, you've probably thought of at least one of the useful spaces that is wasted. Fortunately, the specialists at the German company Doll Group have thought of it too, and they have a solution for it. They've launched an interesting shelf design that can be installed in the hallway under the ceiling. It allows you to utilize all the empty space to store a variety of things, from seasonal shoes to sports equipment. The clever design is the real catch. The cupboards open downwards so you can easily reach the items inside. Installation is easy too. It doesn't require too much time or fancy equipment. Just follow the handout and you'll be good to go. Number 1. Bed Chill 2. If we ask you the type of furniture you spend most of your time on, the answer will be pretty obvious: in the bed. So, you probably realize how difficult it is to eat, work, and do relevant activities on your bed. The French company BedChill decided to solve this problem. They designed a unique table specifically for the bed. The legs are placed on the side of the bed, and with adjustable height, you can set the table up to your level of ease. It has power sockets towards the side of it, which means you can easily work on it and charge your devices. You can put a food tray on it and eat comfortably, or adjust your laptop for a movie night. This table is indeed a multitasker. So do let us know some of your favorite space-saving ideas in the comments down below. And if you want more ideas like this in the future, do give us some suggestions so we can make a follow-up video to those suggestions going forward. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!